Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a functional railjack and required quest progress. First, open your navigation and select a railjack sortie. This triggers the Profit Taker track. Once done, queue missions that drop Eidolon bounties or required components. Make sure to recruit players or set matchmaking to public if you need extra hands, because some tasks scale with crew. This opening burst gets you immediate progress toward Profit Taker. You move from setup straight into mission-based. Once you're farming, focus on targeted Profit Taker encounters on Orb Valleys and Fortuna, where the drop pool includes the frame components. You should concentrate on breaking the armor plates and capturing the core. That's why burst damage and crowd control matter. Make sure to bring weapons that strip shields and high single-target DPS, because quick kills multiply run efficiency. Also, communicate. Call out when a phase changes so teammates shift roles. This synchrony directly increases your parts per hour. You finish by crafting the Profit Taker Warframe, place collected blueprints and resources into the foundry, and start the build. If you have missing pieces, use trades or clan requests to complete the set. That saves hours. Make sure to check build timers or use platinum to rush if needed. If things go wrong, first verify your squad composition and network. Reconnection issues often cause lost progress. Then, adjust loadouts and rerun the specific node until components drop reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.